The beauty of doing nothing. In a world where everyone is always busy and rushing, we sometimes forget the beauty of doing nothing. People think that being productive all the time is the only way to feel valuable and successful. But quiet moments with no schedule, no work, and no pressure can be just as important for our happiness. Doing nothing gives us time to rest, to breathe, and to reconnect with what really matters inside us. It helps us feel calm, clear our minds, and notice the small things we usually ignore. Sometimes, the most peaceful moments happen when we simply sit, look around, and allow ourselves to just be. One of my favorite things is to sit near a window and watch the world without needing to do anything at all. I look at the sky, the trees moving in the wind, or people walking by, and I feel peaceful inside. There is no goal, no plan, and no rush. Just me and the quiet world around me. In those moments, I begin to feel more present, more alive, and more thankful for simple things. Even a few minutes of stillness can make my day feel better and more balanced. Doing nothing, even for a short time, can be a beautiful way to take care of yourself. Doing nothing does not mean we are lazy or wasting time. It means we are choosing peace over pressure. We all need time to pause, to rest our thoughts, and to listen to the silence around us. When we stop, we give our body and mind a chance to relax, heal, and find new energy. In those calm spaces, we can hear our own thoughts more clearly and understand our feelings better. It is during quiet moments that we often find our best ideas and our deepest sense of joy. Sometimes, the most important thing we can do is slow down and enjoy doing nothing at all. The beauty of doing nothing is that it reminds us we don't always need to move fast or be busy to feel good. It teaches us that rest is part of a healthy life and that slowing down is not a weakness, it is wisdom. When we allow ourselves to pause, we begin to enjoy life in a softer and more peaceful way. We learn to see beauty in the present moment and feel more connected to ourselves and the world. Doing nothing helps us return to our day with a stronger heart and a clearer mind. In a busy world, choosing to do nothing can be one of the most beautiful choices we make.